Both the F and E119 have the unique functionality to configure the Modbus communication port to send a receipt printing command. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set the printer output for our totalizer ticket on the F and E119 flow totalizers. A totalizer ticket is used to print the current totalizer values like total, accumulated total, current day total, and previous day total. It can be printed on demand or automatically every day at a contract hour. We will use the F119 as an example. The E119 is identical. Let's take a look at how this works. An RS-232 or RS-485 printer can be connected to terminal C1 to C4. To ensure a quick and easy installation, the optional Fluidwell printers come with a plug-and-play connector. Configuration to print a totalizer ticket at contract hour. Hold the Program button for 7 seconds. Menu 1 Total appears. Use the Clear and Select buttons to navigate to Menu 3.2 Day Totals to enable the current and previous day totals, a basic data log function. Press Prog to change this setting. Use the Select button to change the setting. Off disables the current and previous day totals. Hidden shows current and previous day totals, only at setup level in menu 1.7 and 1.8. Operate shows current and previous day totals at operator level by pressing the Select button several times. Press Prog to store this setting. Use the Clear and Select buttons to navigate to menu 1.6 Contract Hour to set the contract hour in steps of 1 hour in a 24-hour format. Press Prog to change this setting. Press Select several times to set the contract hour to 1700 hours for 5 p.m. Press Prog to store this setting. Navigate to menu 9.1 Mode to select the communication mode. Press Prog to change this setting. Off disables the communication option. Bus RTU enables the Modbus RTU communication protocol. Bus ASCII enables the Modbus ASCII communication protocol. Printer enables the receipt printing function. Press Prog to store this setting. Change the following menu settings according to your requirements or preferences. Menu 9.2 up to 9.6 are communication settings, which can be set according to your hardware requirements. Menu 9.7 up to 9.A are printer settings, which can be set according to your printer requirements. Menu 9.B up to 10.4 are ticket settings, which can be set according to your ticket layout preferences. Menu 10.5 shows the unique sequential ticket number. It can be viewed or altered. The ticket number is incremented automatically with each new print command, but not when a ticket is reprinted. Proceed to Menu 10.6 Auto Print to enable an automated ticket printing at contract hour. Press Prog to change this setting. Press Select to change the setting to contract hour. Press Prog to store this setting. Use the Select button to go to Menu 10.7 Daily Total to add the current and previous day totals to the ticket layout. Press Prog to change this setting. Press Select to change the setting to Print. Press Prog to store this setting. Menu 10.8 is used to enable the delivery mode and not used in this example. Menu 11.4 and 11.5 are the time and date settings and used for the ticket timestamps and to trigger the contract hour. Now all is set, we are going back to Run mode. Hold Prog for 3 seconds to exit the Setup menu and return to Run mode. Congratulations! You have now set the printer output to print a totalizer ticket at contract hour on the F or E119 flow totalizers. Reprints of the last contract hour ticket will show Reprint. They can be printed as long as no other ticket is printed, as that will overwrite the internal ticket data. Besides the tickets at contract hour, additional totalizer tickets can be printed on demand. This will overwrite the internal data of tickets at contract hour. Note: total can be cleared without the requirement of printing a ticket. All Fluidwell products have the same intuitive menu structure. When you know one, you know them all. Fluidwell understands. Your success counts.